Alycia, you're going to be okay.
You don't know that.
No? But you don't know that you won't be. And right now, with that siren, what's coming is a hell of a lot more dangerous than whatever radiation was in that blood that got on you.
Shit. We didn't lose him. Any idea where else we could take him?
The truck stop is the only thing for miles.
No, that's too close. We can't risk him swarming the plane. We're too close as it is. Right, we're gonna keep leading them away. How long until it's ready?
More time than we've got, Morgan. But we've got the plane radio running. Just trying to raise Sarah and Wendell to let them know we're coming.
You think they'll hear?
Strang got Al's message about skid mark. I like our chances.
If John and Dwight, anything from them?
Jude. They're still out of range.
Okay, you keep working on the plane. We'll just catch up to you as soon as we can. You okay?
The nuclear plant is melting down, but I did just have a hot shower, so there's that.
Yeah, we gotta keep moving. I'm really starting to hate that sound.
Me too. But once it stops, that's when we're in real trouble. There's gotta be somewhere we can take them. There is.